Hello guys, in this video we're going to look at how you can use ProwebPOS in a restaurant. Alright, to use ProwebPOS in a restaurant, you need to activate some modules on ProwebPOS. So let's go ahead, scroll down right here, click on settings and click on business settings. So right here you're going to see a lot of them, so you scroll down and click on modules. So you're going to see some features right here that I'm going to tell you what to do with. So you're going to enable the service staff, number one. You're going to enable the tables, and then you're going to enable the kitchen, which is very, very important since this is for restaurants. So right then, when you're done selecting them, if they're not selected, you're going to see something like this. So you just go ahead and check the box and click on update settings, and then you can go ahead and start using your software ProwebPOS for a restaurant. So to do that, we've added service staff, right? So we've enabled the service staff feature. So let's go ahead and add a service staff. So to do that, we click on user management, we click on users, we click on roles, and then we go ahead and add a service staff. We all know what a service staff is. They are the people that attend to customers when you want to eat at a restaurant. So go ahead and click on add role, and then you can say user type, and then you check the service staff box right here, and then you name the role probably service staff. So that's all you need to do. Once you're done, you go ahead, scroll down and click on update. You save your settings. But for me, I already have this role created for a service staff. So all we need to do is go back to roles. And then here we have it. I have a service staff already. So as you can see it, this is a service staff that I have created. Alright, so once that is done, we can go ahead and create our tables. So once we do that, we come to settings right here and we'll click on tables. Alright, here is our tables. So we have different tables at the restaurant. You're going to have to label your tables for identification. So as you can see, we already have table 1, table 2, table 3. So we have the description for VIP and then blah blah blah. So we'll go ahead to add a new table right here. We'll click on add. So where is the table? Which of our locations, which of our branches do we have that table? So we'll say we have a test business. Alright, and then the table name will say table 4. You can enter a short description, let's say VIP lounge. So we'll go ahead and click on save. So we have 4 tables at this location. Alright, so we've successfully created tables. So now we want to go and place orders. So we have set up the service staff, we have set up the tables. So how do we sell? So let's go to the POS. Someone is going to place an order. A customer comes in and wants to buy, let's say, a plate of rice, which have already been added. So we say plate of rice at this amount. So we select the table and the service staff. So let's say the table is, the people are sitting on table 3, and then the service staff is Eva Lodia. Alright, so we go ahead and say, okay, they want how many plates let's say 2 plates at this particular amount. So since at the restaurant they don't usually pay before eating, they pay after eating, you can go ahead and click on credit sale. So this sale is due for now, so we can cancel this. Right, and so how do the kitchen know that an order has been placed? So the kitchen are going to be with their own system, their own computer, and then they click on, when they click on their orders, they are going to have the orders that have been placed for them. So right here we're going to see kitchen. We click on the kitchen right here, and then you're going to see all orders. So we have this order. This is the order for today, table 3. So once this order, you can check the order details right here. Click on the order details. You're going to see plate of rice, 2 plates of rice. So once that is done, once you're done cooking it, you can mark it as cooked, and then it leaves this page, so you won't have to mistake it for another order. All right, so once that is done, the service staff can go ahead and view his own orders. So how do they do that? So you go back here. Once you go back, all right, once you go back, you go ahead and click on orders. That's the service staff right now. All right, so we'll go ahead and click on the service staff, Eva. Once you click on Eva, you're going to see the orders attached to Eva. So Eva is on her own account. She's viewing this. So she's going to see that, okay, this order has been cooked for table 3. And then she's going to get it at the kitchen. And once she gets it at the kitchen, she's going to mark this as served. That means this order has been completed. And that is it. That is how you use ProwebPOS for restaurant. So nonetheless, after everything's been done, the people are done eating, you can then go ahead and issue them a receipt. So to issue them a receipt when they pay, you can always go back to your cell and click on all sales. Once you're done with that, it's going to take you to a page where you see all the sales you've made. So this is a sale. You can filter it by today. All right, once that is done, you can see here, you click on the due. When they bring the money to pay for the food, you click on due right here, and then you go ahead and add the payment, and then you save. Once that is done, you can go ahead and give them a receipt if you wish. All right, you can click on action. This is their invoice right here. This is their receipt. You can click on actions, then click on print invoice. So once that is done, you can go ahead and print, and that is it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.